there. Me sure say Leicester supporters ni be brebe kai Juma Brendan Rodgers and Shala Shonogo nom and Yuri Talisman no my abedru Sam Pempen so yeah on my job first FA Cup in the history of the club. Into quite interesting as far as the season in Europe here concerned. I'm just hopeful. So the sort of tension there was Serie A nim tension and there was Paris Saint-Germain so winning against AS Monaco. Most likely say weekend way so no to me AJ but all the same unless say Lille for no so no and to me and winning or more guarantee competition what a lot of the major leagues in Europe no me OGDSS competition no so no buy the Ghana Premier League got 9 matches to go into the final 4 or 3 games of the season no about the MIA who say team Ben G League no team Ben better to me no team Ben relegation and the to me ma a fair idea about the sort of competition you should expect in any football competition so we are city Juventus there well I'm sure some bet me say it's been a disappointing season. At the end of the day they had a crown on a major crown but almost when your medal silverware the season no it's Juventus and the Leicester and there is like the how much more Champions League next year but PSG they are fighting for the title. Is going to the final day this weekend and the best say Leo best sleepy I'm a PSG for one but PSG and the French Cup and also Omone AS Monaco the ball winning by 2 goals. Na ye can no o de if we ever fee ye ba be share AF some no so na Asante go ko mrante nra and obi tries to yanim said and ampa ababonten second go players no ba ko o say yente go points say Oman Chelsea Ghana mana. Yeah, but Chabaram say Sanya Debia can no radio guest results. Yeah, I'm saying Nanaya Mponsa Frey empanyin for catcher o say oye ho adwuma. Nti abrante ni nya abotre. Yendi kan chemu yi. Abrante Ivano Ivan Sousu. Yeah. Only players no mo 9. Yes, 9. And I'm the coordinating discipline committee say Asante Godoko. Yeah. Any o man nim ye. Omo contract omo terminate. Yeah. But also go to music mom kawum and one sense and omudibem go appeal anye yi and omudibem dey say music mom say on be 4 installment payments to 4 months month we are saying to man be we save and so 8,000 Ghana and then man month be say 4 months beso now first month no go to check now yes and a second payment no Kodoko etia instead of paying 2 no Kodoko etia 1 and a branch say or they go then this one committee say Kodoko default payment it Kodoko yes kana mana match Kodoko baby no yanti omo points also ne mama yare no kra ni say matisa ne mama so yare pa serious how here sky free branch no akosa no yare enti enu nti na branch no eye de oye no but em say na ya omponsa no mo ye hu adwuma say ombetumi anya branch ne second check na ma no na ono so etumi ato aso edi ne adwuma but chairman asem case Vinicius when Michael Vinicius okay Yababa over here Michael Vinicius wait you ever trouble me okay ever trouble me okay yeah said yes for say your friend Kelly ne Bonucci afre Thomas Muller ne Hazard mu and your friend Samuel Jane someone bobo o sa Samuel Jane bobo Samuel Jane Legon City so about 6 matches there be 6 matches no bon say unze Chelini ni Bonucci they are playing omo bo but Samuel Jane dey Hazard omo Samanja how go friend no chiro people go do who o be did o matamo o no bi go huru na ko case to the man tell baby you know Thomas family munya ya from Hazard so Hazard your friend Majetu ba o munyina no ye huru o come baby o go video enye ye dia go no bi go ya Samanja who one video be ye dia check Ghana for to man tell baby you know okay but no kra no okay Afcon no Kosika ngona ave yanko ebe won. Oh, ebe mo in the sense so no one dey assistant neighbor. Ono one yi Duncan. Ono aso na dey mrofu mienu idin aba. Nti chawa be mo say obi a odi broni ba. eba so mebo
meetings akoso mpanyimfo ni bi feel say se yebese agiaf kon pa dia and yen hwe sike biem se hwe de biem sesen reports just say Esco no after South Africa game a boy no na Esco for no be say we just give it to me now we are catching we am yes meeting akoso ba na de omusuro pa yo mampanyi government penny say Ghana national team should be coached by a Ghanaian.
Absolutely. In fact, Brony crowd didn't by first assistant no. Now a strong so man penny nti sign on betu anika. To mo yesanka efi honana komunye skabia no de tua Brony.
Say convincing. Ama the meeting sports minister dom na wi. Efi na wi.
Nti o mbe pam siki akono.
Sports minister jatum so mo de obi beba no problem. As long as never me aji AFCON.
Chama obey assistant na CK ye be yi na sinchen.
Ye be CK sinchen.
Na Brony no mo ka so nko fa ne mra na na no mo ye ne den.
Yo, eno na say questions no any ye dey aso to form no. Nipa be work certain angles at the presidency to get to convince the president. O the president you so cabinet and was so every akonya.
Yeah.
Eno ti no mo ka chance ye 25 million. 15 AFCON 15 we 10 wajatum o register momo but the baby convincing say be say AFCON na Mr. President ye here coach bia obetim dia AFCON
Pep Guardiola da because me chama me who Brony omo de neighbor oba be AFCON no AFCON no ay Ghana for a
so say you never resist any attempt
absolutely
to succeed Gakono any attempt
CK there
yes the umbeso mo yen say
max for whom Mumbai
eka of course say CK there you know say of course say 100% you know
yeah
but say you be CK if it's another Ghanaian coming to coach, I have no problem. 7 Predators, Brazil, our national team with all the superstars. It is coached by Brazilians.
Yeah.
Emre Chite is coach of the team, no. Not the NY. But on the coach of the Copa America. Yens is a trauma, Momo for Brony, my own business. Now, Adiano, are you to the level that say number some year? Sadabian Kobase, Yasaki Sig in Edneka. And I think that in Verdiomo Kenti. They say there are moves to ensure see a business car. Nature all outstanding bonuses and debts.
Na CK ya we say ye ba be pam ne die.
CK ya we say certain members and as some people in high places empenasem.
And ye say cap ne anya anye. The head coach all boy no oti oni yam hihyi ne say be pam no. Then e koso Ghana football.
Say nipa bi empenasem. Ewo ho no. Set members be in high places. The way you know, Filimo, where you are friends still. Low motives. It's a
Jama Brony Beneba, Brony Pep Guardiola and Zidane. Me person who Brony Crow.
Home the beba.
And the hence is FA president near for Brony Mra.
Hey.
And Chairman, I said the idea. Catherine administration, and Pembrofon on Merania football in my. Now to be Pam Seeker, now we'll get what you as president. Yeah. Nasabio, Sabio, Yansanim. Oh, now ye be Beninu or GDS or between I FA Jumano. Nancy seeking to me handle Black Stars. Oh, the Brony for throwback. Yeah, Chairman. Chairman, yeah, train. Some by announcement, Siki Akuno sad. Now ye de Fufra to also maybe Le Père take over. Nia who de Bessu or Mema. Ain't see that. Ain't see that. And no crowd here.
Le Père no. Then why are Siki?
Sell Le Père no on one can say Jumano onya opeu.
Ah no then why? Because Le Père no see Malik Jaber no mean CV better than him.
Na say your
boss no mean so I'm going to ba.
Le Père.
Hey,
and yes a case ah. You hear the best chaba.
Well, in the saying say European tour no has been cancelled.
Yeah.
They say your team no eba be campo omo nyina wi ombeba they say abrofuni ko bo euros unni bebia ko campo bebia ombebo mo euros bra krom they say omo nyina ba be campo Ghana ha but players bi wo ha reports am say bi wo man chomo ma but omo ye provision say your game with Morocco no players bi share with Morocco na yɛne ɔmo asi akan na ɛhyehyɛ ne sɛ for the camping and the friendlies player biara per diem of $100 na sɛ every day yɛma $100 ɔmo bɔ friendly na win lose or draw $5,000 win lose or draw $5,000 no matter any winning bonus more like appearance and a match bonus win lose or draw o how many uraho
Jamano say obi asem no kind o say also omo hwe no mo yes ton forms Black Stars
na 5,000 yen na chiro site ayu and maybe yani team bi Portugal team bi go ball University Park plus 5,000
oh German I'm say forms na say ton say the way bit me attack ani bi
because me titi say Esco no our be a passive vote of no confidence
in one
Sika Koro as a GDA no sana me titi ama omo hwe yenim dia ba ye ntwen hwe Ajo Bayo is a phenomenal appointment as coordinator for all the 4 women's national teams. Ajo Bayo, one of the finest players Ghana produce in terms of women's football. Onone die enono. Eba be hwe ene nsema hodo Ghana Football Association. Say the editor no. Enye say graduate asomo ye nkete as assistant wiba as a coach wiba the Duncan Janchen ko scout and we ko say yeah train ya Sika Koro Babara man free nyina echi still omo za mane mbode na onye debiem enuna obuka ne ka che omo say so be Black Stars coach now so please certain people those people will not please you
yeah
what friend Philemon when you about Dreams FC some person go Black Star
yeah
what friend Baba Rahman na say nko yi what friend na ba because nko for be player Lomote ni afre no David Shop yam friend no ogom say on person bebo anyone Matthias who please all those people still there are plans to get you out and I understand say almost all the ESCO members agree with the decision to let him go almost you see about 2 people being Jordan Penetro
Siki Akono
they said the they convince some Mampenyi to support and some Mampenyi also pe crew yes sir yeah sha crew no papa unti fi
na omofa Siki no na dent no omofa no in initial appointment no what was the basis so omo say nka Siki me win caps man na fe de den kwa no mu ya and South Africa for kofa Hugo Bruce no and na mom yemu ahye omo say South Africa Hugo Bruce yi wan ra Siki no entumi no
I say all the ESCO members have agreed to his sacking.
Wow. Siki Akono sacking. E Ghana. Cha me sure say Ghana ha. Cha man check em say Siki no Siki fufuro bi na aboka. Enye Ghana ha. Ye be pam Siki Akono wo Ghana ha. Chawan. Ay. Asembe badabi. Yo.
Na me voice no move am wa me here. Voice bi so nam from him. It's a leaked voice of Hearts of Oak NCC member bi. How they plan to win the league meaning so what it be.
Yeah.
Remember share with the team for now. Hearts of Oak company vouchers are baba wa na okasa no. Onye member of the NCC.
Yeah.
It Hearts of Oak distance no.
Yeah.
From ASR audio no.
Yeah.
But for our listeners, only fair. So we have an opportunity to hear asema ababawa no esukai Emmanuel Jemfini asante koroko contract in sense no obi say still as ntiase nya adwuma
chairman contract there ya na enya easy sa ye ka say de bia na ye ho tutu amanonefo na ye kra Real Madrid ye captain Sergio Ramos on the second best defender Rafael Varane and to an extent one very critical player Lucas Vazquez omunyina no bia extending the contract your clubs and our teams be brew we are here omu key players into contract there back and forth offer and acceptance who make you offer now nipa no akwadwen ho no asa into sa negotiations na ya bro no be say a bit prolonged into contract renewal in some day. I'm not worried at all. Say player no ejitum say obesi akama kuo na fine. So or extending the contract this was fine because players a football business. E bi ba na bi ko Hurricane ye ka say on 3-year contract still with Spurs. But I know say omo bo we Spurs need to be a boy.
How many Aston Villa? How many like to go to one?
I'm say before the game after.
No, you probably game now, but
I say so okra no. We di ka catch Daniel Levy num any Joe Louis num say enya de opese oto aso you say Bobo ko no wono oni coach. The tosu mienu enya de ombetumi abo Europa League impo omo akobo Conference League ono so 27 years. Nyame adomo am say in the next few months 28 so Manchester United ni Man City ni Chelsea no eda hona omo no bibi papa bi koso o maso ya opese oko nti contract issues there eya na I'm not too worried. I mean it gets down to the player and their management plan for the player or valuation of the player nti at the end of the day the player needs to say maybe they got code man on nani so he moves on say kotoko so say well, as
this is no per 6,000 Ghana cedi a month because of say only signing on fee no as I'm going to go 4,000
okay
but as a coach Mariano Barreto so here
okay
inti go ne ka say ka 1 year 3 months there for the rest of the season any another season inti yomugu so report just only the manager every shot of the management and
okay
but Kwame do say what if say the Chris Hughton
Chris Hughton
former Newcastle former
chairman who can say a fast CK Akono na the first assistant and dey Brennan no George Boateng o man panyin ka say there be George Boateng ye Ghana ni yes
o si akadema Holland the Netherlands
that was the presidential position in time George Boateng na CK Akono CK was then honor or opting for the second option in David Duncan. Inti ni nyina no gina omampanyin so.
Is it no so onso nya Ghana ni.
Onso nya Ghana ni.
Kwame so Ghana ni, onye Ghana.
Onye Ghana ni.
Na so no Kwame do no ka son onye Ghana ni. Onye Ghana ni. Ugu ta break American passport onye Ghana ni. Isi asem si aje si how to play ba before. Dey die.
Eti chairman ni nyina na kosi omampanyin so. Se sia no se be pam CK o, se di broni ba o, ni nyina yo omampanyin. So omampanyin jitum se ampa asama mi di kan say me Black Stars me pese me nia Ghana ni na da no na me mpe broni bia wo mam ha no yes oh me dwen ho no ma sisa ma dwen dia fine then maybe the FA because me himself for a fact say FA no problem ni nyina ne say omukọ mampanyi wa ahwe mampanyi ntum nti Chris Hughton Pep Guardiola, Zinedine Zidane, Thomas Tuchel, Frank Lampard, whichever one biano, it was a Jubilee House Jitum. That's why me know ya join say sian baby adru no. It was some convince your mampanyi. But some mampanyi so Jitum dia. And your mampanyi ni mpanyi phone kai say cap no. Enya dia beba. There is no coach. Me who coach omo kwako fanaba. Because Egypt for legendary coach
Azan
Shihata wu. Inti coach Ben Cecil Jones atufu efio so ewu inti coach Ben Saint Paul you say ana Unai Emery say ana Mikel Arteta coach Ben as Black Stars team way ana Jose Mourinho say Mourinho so be dia too man I don't know me who be omkofa ko e lepet na no mo person de lepet na be show lepet chairman Abawako wie no ombeka say technical director should take over Elepet me who broni kro omko akofa na ba Elepet na ya twen say omubenya akukuduro abeka che Ghana for say ya pam CK Akono ya di broni biba ye ni ana Mariano Barreto Barreto my possible so so ba mo mai
but
my bro mama had
even obi kwaso no people say na 25 million say be the mobile 3 egoma Mourinho na Guardiola so you foul for AFCON no ho na Guardiola obodi eyimbaba na or the Kevin De Bruyne no na eyimbedi na jaba oh you can coach no let's not forget say a coach even the name of the coach, the name as coach, no, he's supposed to coach the players. And if the players are not talented or if they are not quality players, no matter the level of coaching, you are not going to get the results. And then you care about Leicester City so much there. Leicester City are there you know because more qualities. Oh Chala Soyuncu, oh James Maddison, oh Ayoze Perez, you know, these are good players. What you say? Maybe I ultimately compare more quality no to certain other players be more united. But coach Ajuma Bemno because you have quality. Now so young we are, then they perform better. Yayan Kofui, Baba Rahman 3, and the Yadom 2, 4 and 5, Nicolas Opoku, and Abdul Ganiu. Na akwa egun team ya go chai wakasu. Basa. Every akwanom. Oh, ade na ye no. Maye me oh I say every for no sikare de ekwan bia so be di. Sikare de 25 no mesh no. Ene be 25 on mesh na maka ba chiri. O de asem enya na ni bia market to baby. E ka be ba chiri. Ya tiare mako for bro ni bia ba me ya bok tournament na wie ana ka chese de ka.
Okay. Say Egypt 2019 say ka ba chiri.
E ka ba chiri. Enti say de akade e be ba chiri. Na Dintina at this time we are looking at sacking our coach. And I understand the Escono unanimously. The vote of no confidence. Coach, you don't even feel. I understand say Yetimia Community Minister say Capri Day. Name me so Oma Community on board Hebiana. Another people close to the minister. Minister list of African countries and you go see any players on war. Anyhow they have planned to get to where they are today. By the end we are looking at the easy way out. You first can call. Say Blaster and Morocco no win, lose or draw. Player be $5,000. Friendly snare come on $5,000. And then my players for preparing for the AFCON. Two. You have $5,000 for playing a friendly in preparation for the AFCON. We are in an interesting country.
Yeah.
Very interesting country. Andy Garcia has said you have a crime on it, but what's in here?
Problem now is that will not allow Nana to win the league for Kotoko. No, it's not going to happen. So problem is no one Kat wants it to be said that Kat Bedi FA president, you know, and I had to forget then. A G League, so 10 years we don't G. So you don't want Nana to win the league to be like, the Nana can't put it back to first season never will league. You people you don't know what is going on. This is the issue. So all we need to do is push a little bit, like when we are on the second position like this. Yes, the players alone cannot win this league for us. This league it's ours to lose. So Waka J referee say too much. Don't go near the referee. You know what I'm saying? Don't even go there. Leave this work to the NCC. Let them go. All the players in the league, they are very close with the NCC chairman, obviously. So what they need to do is, okay, we'll be playing the matches for some of the teams. So those following us, we have to at least lead them by maybe 6-7 points. Okay, so the team that they are going to play with, you tell them, okay, I'm giving you this amount of money. Make sure that you win that amount. When you win, I'll give you. If you don't win, then your own palaver. But the ones that we are also going to play against, the defender, keeper, Asan. Defender blam go problem no clear blam no trashi. Ape, but then I can't parents na mo bata. Dojini mo go po banye femini. Player opponent to mo clear boy banye cho problem. So now the 9 matches all the away matches that we are going we need to pay. You buy.
We need to pay. We will buy. Well, ababa we reports about NCC member of Hartlepool. Na nsema awoka no tape nim ne se ekwa Hartlepool gbefa so agi league no na omatimi aka se ket buy no and Hartlepool J na mpese be se ket na ya abagi league or bracket na every president na chna bi Brighton na ya mponsa chances of ebia the FA presidency so back to the first season or J League ene ho nsensem enti se utie ya no Kwagula obviously big before one be bold and confess that Siga Kono is not a good coach for the Black Stars. Okay.
And now Liverpool winning was sending me message fire burn you.
Okay.
Na chairman so be say question o GDS CK bet me the Yaji AFCON no.
CK ntimi nye. Coach no be ba no so ntimi nye.
Okay. And anka CK mfa enko sa. An anti consortium of coaches.
Ye consortium of coaches ntimi nye.
Oh sanka.
Ya de Guardiola ba ye ntimi nye.
Say the CK near the Samuel Boadu, near the Barreto.
There. Ye ntimi nye. Oh. Ye go Shiska. Amanfo plan na abeduru ba bia duru ye omodeji. Enti ye de ye start a project. Ye players we any AFCON. Fele mo wan no. Oyom se na ka ho bi go so. Na say the obody plan wan be bo.
So no they say straightforward say protocol
it is a protocol for bebrebe be gum here. Your boys be sali su ne wan your Ghana boys omo bobo. Ayi boy o Celta Vigo your friend say. Edu. Last week, a week before last weekend, he was named in the team of the week. That boy, you know, Lagos Cities, Joseph AJ.
Oh God!
Now you will also go to AFCON. I'm going to AFCON. No, 7 predators. Yeah, that's it. Yo, Brighton, what tell her? Answer na ibe bano. Ababa wano kasa unim no.
Yeah, chairman.
Boy, you say on your NCC member.
David. On your NCC member, and oye a fan of us to say ye nyina support to ye clubs. And now po mo a okọ Twitter, omu ha adwene pass e bia kotoko lusu match and has a winning our ginani na omo clean the other side of yeah and I said the ni team on pen asama we lusu a ababa one. And one president of NB Sport when it comes to women's league and the modern more honor so any yepa. Asem ne say no ne a phobian fan but we fan of Nanayaw and a edin komo enti we no ye enkomo a oni ni di ase oni no a personal chat no oni nipa no ye na not know say nipa na so record no na waliki yes our conversation but enye say we a member of even the NCC a wo twaka bia wo has ani obetima influence BBM anase onim ne me ekoso akra so folk nti ababa wa no worried sisi apa say search audio as wetimi about
the audio baba but say the power didn't go on about
and also afraid ni pana sa ni pani ekra dum phone yes anka obisa no ekwan e fa so
but in some kind of fine oh yeah fun there and of course any private conversation let's take that for a also for the rest of the matches they will pay. Meaning so till the last part and so and okay about referees. Okay about Kate, okay about Yentie and Zana Andy Eddie Amanin Samnava.
No, see, problem now is that will not allow Nanayaw to win the league for Kotoko. No, it's not going to happen. So problem is no one Kate wants it to be said that Kate Bedi FA president, you know, and I had to forget it. A G League, so 10 years we don't G. So you don't want the Nile to win the league to be like, the Nile can put it back to first season never will league. No, you people you don't know what is going on. This is the issue. So all we need to do is push a little bit, like when we are on the second position like this. Yes, the players alone cannot win this league for us. This league it's ours to lose. So Waka J referee say how too much. Don't go near the referee. You know what I'm saying? Don't even go there. Leave this work to the NCC. Let them go. All the players in the league, they are very close with the NCC chairman, Elvis. So what they need to do is, okay, we'll be playing the matches for some of the teams. So those following us, we have to at least lead them by maybe 6-7 points. Okay, so the team that they are going to play with, you tell them, okay, I'm giving you this amount of money. Make sure that you win that amount. When you win, I'll give you. If you don't win, then your own palaver. But the one that we are also going to play against the defender, keeper, Asan. Defender back blam go problem no clear blam no chashi. Ape, but then I can't parent na mo bata. Do jini mo go banye femini. Player opponent to mo clear boy banye cho problem. So now the 9 matches all the away matches that we are going we need to pay. You buy.
Okay. About one in summer or the two then UIT.
Chairman.
It doesn't you have to book fun.
But when you're member of
the NCC. Okay. But Ninsem Nibia no show. Because the step okay, come be and obi come there. Assemble our can be giving opportunity obi etie no. On can say and I feel say yem pardon oba no. Yenya ba no na. But I say Ket will not allow Nana to win the league. I want a man for her clear, you know. I don't care about say the rest of the matches. My has book for no and Konya referee, referee because Juma no more yeah now. Claire unya goalkeeper no here
I don't know I say
then I saw a class now
akọ akiri ama Techman for no kra I say any mo match against Arsenal also mo hwe ne ma bi yo
I Techman 11 when I understand some who raise concerns about refereeing anyway so because this lady sounded so confident if you insert Ga or you understand I'm sure you wouldn't feel the strength of this league. It's like she was speaking for Ket here. Because to boldly say Ket would not sit for Daniel to win the league, dear. Okay, Nana Bachigad. Okay, oh dear, I don't know. Well, the Gano can Otega, Onuga. Gaga, okay. Darling Paul. Darling Paul. Okay. All right. Yako Marasoniane NCC of Artufuk. Our customer for Yaya Kobe Jones. They say, Kobe, me chawa no pe me jide saboko de.
Me so kan kam.
Kobe, audio ya about Bontin within the Mu Hearts of Folk NCC member. And yasi o ke kan se minim sana. O social media baby ah. Omo caption no. Baba wane kase matches na can de. You need to pay. You buy. Meaning what to be?
Hello, can come.
What audio ni be?
Mate audio.
Me too. Come your reaction to this you're saying.
Me that moment check now. I think that it's not a witty audio. I'm amount for giving a credence. Amount for concentration on the audio. Can come study ya former platform was a Ocean House of Folk platform be supporters also. I mean in various classrooms or movie. Mostly now supporters some church or margin our platform so yes I be renewing yes BC. Those are the things. I mean who say audio na Baba Wano Ekasana. She's somebody I know personally. One, Jedika she's not a member of the NCC. They taught me she's not a member of RCC. She's an ordinary supporter of House of Folk. And also energy. The M1 say amount for a billion issues now can too much. Your mechanism it has no bearing on your campaign because only influence as far as this campaign is concerned and as this league is concerned. The imagine say it shouldn't be an issue. The reason being that it should be a free. Yeah, national executive and as a regional executive maybe. But if an ordinary supporter is telling his opinion, his view, some of the things are all kind of. If you all cry, the free are all kind of. So what you say? Imagine it shouldn't be an issue. I bet alone. Nature say I will say this thing. We have a match tomorrow against 11 Wonders, and then our attention also. With the Mr. Name some all kind of any trackabia, any effect with him so. And any it's a effect so. And I say a plan you be a company or baby and lady our no what can be baby. And yes, I here.
Well, the ama ebi amount for dwelling on no kakrano. Maybe some understanding from the other side too. Say we on behind the center and say we can referee. Some cause so on crime. Any a man for about referee penalty or J sudden decisions they become about bitchim at the ABN no man for the margin
amount for party on processing there. You can't change it. It depends on where they stand and how they want to see it. Now can come the home and say even me Kobe Jones Nyamenkwa menimza no Sunday but I am Bono. When the referee is for that penalty, we also say penalty. Yeah, it was stadium. We said penalty because we saw it clearly. Say boy in the ball, boy in the shoulder, and the penalty. But the referee took that decision. And lo and behold, the referee the next day realized his mistake and came and apologized. Doesn't mean he has manager. We just say manager on your idea, my minister say, Penufa, management members and board members, every case, a Koji, and then he be defending. But it was saying a penalty. So I say, and even with that referee, he made a lot of mess out of himself. Penalty now, a boy, a friend, a keeper, now move, now, assistant referee, every flag, so ignore it. It tells you, oh, no, I confused what he was doing. Nobody gave me anything. And see, I mean, people will have their perception as to what happened, but coming from House of Folk, no, it didn't come from us. We didn't influence any referees to come and help us in that game. What happened in between? The same thing. It is a Kotoko, any their friend is saying, Wafa, it's you of what it. Now, no Kotoko, any your friend is saying, Liberty. Take a more equalizer. No. Player no be a one cannot. The referee is free man. And then also record to influence referee say more man. I mean, referees make mistakes. Even in the Premier League, near other league, bigger leagues, we are all classes, so they make mistakes. And the obvious perception how they see it. Maybe I know a man for you say, because of the Ababa Waneka and the BBC course. But I can tell you for a fact, as far as I know, as of BBC, can come on himself for. Since 2009,
95.7.
So bad for the veggie team. No, I did about why this year can't dance 1 year. Paying referees for matches because or say he doesn't see the sense of player bonuses. Now also HF players now auto players so feature player we near national authentic referee. So he doesn't do that. Nobody at House of Folk can for I can say clearly almost. From that time to today, almost 10, 11 years. And yeah, the House of Folk, you also want to go to go here, you will not pay. So I say, you know, minimum, whether I say, I support the nature, the individual nature, they are minimum. And I know, as House of Folk, I know, nobody will do that. Yeah, House of Folk, we've been a victims of referee so many times. Like a Translation League, match be a double across for Seriane, a Diana start. The referee at the ODA, I think one referee more. And so many times, I don't know, I can say, Abia, Obina, and as a FNO, and ATC, and ABD. Maybe, and yes, about one idea. An ordinary supporter or no choice any sentiment. I don't think that we should dwell more on it.
Okay. Kobe, thanks so much for your time this morning. Okay, Kobe Jones, Kasama for Edema, Okasadema Hearts of Folk, almost chapters, no, and Kobe didn't some. And so Abano, Andy Weber, Andy Weber, but yeah, try say you been Martin say Tachima 11 wonders so. Someone tells you.
Son of BYT because I say
11 wonders from somebody can't taste. Yes, say referees Weber how much drinking all the way about Bonti and you almost so. Mean dear, but say Ababa no.
But I say. Kobe Jones mo ba be kon mu dio but obi on mo no on fan likely sao obi o be bo Heart of Folk bia fan likely sa nti obi abe on ne reaction.
Well, yeah, Coach Ignatius, coach, good morning, coach.
Good morning, BK.
Mejire say bibia boko there. Meaning say match at Domini money Heart of Folk nyame adu match na tough game and more try some obetimi e win na I enhance my chances of surviving our AL league. But we understand as I'm saying, so as I'm saying, we Bakumi be enam audio be about referees and anyone said some. But in preparation so far, of course, saying that Sansa when so a young effect be on game never so chana swana.
You so preparing every day match back to Russia. I gave a chairman because. But chairman can offer or dinner penny now with uti nature. Some of good preparation. So I've said several times when it comes to talent, we are abounding talent. Now share near board you no hasa. You say why solid job winning 4 games from 4 matches consecutively. I say 10 years ago, cry has in years I didn't do that. Even 3 cry ending. That's what boy to my papa. And a dog man has out for the body. In fact, he's why fantastic job at Hasselfolk. Hasselfolk fans are behind him, management are behind him, everybody, because he's working. Now, when you see that thing, then you are happy for your coach. I'm too much happy for him to get the results. But again, just as I always say, football is played on the field. And Chairman boy.
And the field is on your bonnet.
And football, so they are the talent in the ball. They might have one of the best players in Salif Ibrahim. But just as I always say, they also you're very, very good players. Or Frank Amankwa, or Rashid Mohammed, or Mosi, or Samuel Bachinumina. Or we have talent. And see, it will be a wonderful game. Good players. They will see good coaches employing good, fantastic tactics and the players themselves. And here for us, we are prepared for us. Folk, they should come tomorrow and then we play. But the only thing is that we hope that the game will be 11v11.
11 versus 11. I don't think I can say ordinarily sanity.
No, but I say, everybody is doing some fantastic work. As a folk, everybody is supporting. But I hope that the game will be 11v11 and that there will not be extra influence from anywhere on the game. I want to see a game where two coaches, young coaches, one doing fantastic, the other not doing so good, but trying to do some fantastic work. Will come with some tactical praise in the ball game. You know, I don't want a game where now the attention and focus not shifted from the casting of the game, but they could discuss the events of the game instead of they discuss go be share combination play be boy be a bonus free by a boy and boom say go cast something different and can give no what I say.
Okay.
And no na many say when it comes like that, then you're robbing the fans of the game, no, out of the joy they will get. Because can you imagine the game we're not the talking point for the whole of the week. It's about it's not even about the tactical approach of the coach. It's not even about goals that were considered, but it's explaining about the game. That's why I say I hope everyone born the partners of 11v11. That's all I hope.
Well, coach, thanks so much. But answer me, Jamo Kono. Only had a chance to play against former player boy. You honed Salif Ibrahim. So far, I am sure so impressed with his performance. If it's all hard to focus, but playing against him, Oba Techiman. I mean, baby, uso ni muya ni kakaka kama ni be kesiye. How is it like? We are sort of plan B to stop him because it looks like our chances are creating in the runs near here. How is it going to be?
So, as good for more player, be a very set of say. Don't see me player. And I'm keeping one or call as good. And before a game, I think he has scored 3 goals. But the enemy game, now we need him. He made 2 halves for. Mama Malimbo.
Mama Masalivu mo game nibi.
Oh, one team ball. Go to all the teams I have on. Check your beer best player. So it's me ball game nibi. Go to Kotoko. 5 year gamma went mambo. Just go. Count all of them. We always have plans for good players and best players. And he had the same plan he gives. And I'm saying, Chairman, Mom Mobi, because we know him too much. We know him too much. See, we know him, for example, more than any house of coach. So himself for change. I know his strength, I know his weakness. And I can't what.
So I cried but almost bet me a planning BB why drink cause no more their phone.
Oh, this idea they are not using his strength. Say the almost say your moon yet and you see are not yet see only before. But you only know all yet and say yan over here. Send your men on a chair. nti sɛ me kyerɛw biribi a menim how a mesi kyerɛw a mehyia a mɛtumi adi so astɔpe nti a meka sɛ if they have a better plan, the best plan for them is not to use the boy. So that because omu use boy na mama man nyoma jinse ya jini baba boy na sana man fa baby we don't play 11 we don't play one against one 11v11 but the reality is that the boy umbobia omunye ready by 50th minute mark on being a few was some substitution that but just as I've said in all of these things I want at the end of the game then Salif Ibrahim how with the ball Yanka how Ignatius enemy team 11 the stop Salif Ibrahim. My Yanka something different. That's why I say that I hope that the game will be 11-11.
Okay, coach, with us, but we can just say, okay, about what's up with Gamma? Gamma scored against you.
Oh, say chairman, the Gamma is a go back one. Football, you cannot play football 90 minutes and say that somebody will not get a chance.
Okay, yeah.
But what was his output after the goal?
Okay.
Don't forget that in that game, after the game, it wasn't about Gamma. It was about a goal 11 Wonder scored. That was a perfect goal, which was disallowed. That is what I'm saying that I want after the game. Okay, because Gamma should go. You are near 2-1. Gamma should go. How did 11 Wonder stop Gamma not playing? But not 11 Wonder go of share perfect go against the Angie. And I friends and I became going to them.
But to us,
that is where me concern that us are doing fantastic work. But no doubt, I love the work he's doing. But I hope that with all the controversies coming from Bichim to King Faisal to Elmina Shah, I don't want that one in this match. All I want is that we play 11v11. The 12th person will be the coaches who are supporting these 11 players and the supporters who will be there.
Okay.
Not at the game, at the end of the game, we are talking about different incidents that should have not happened, not at all.
Okay. All right. Coach, thanks so much for your time.
You're welcome.
Coach Ignatius, I don't know. I'll say on the Kotoko boy, or stop Gamma should go there. But I'm a game, no. Nakasa didn't yet born on boy, no be about say 11 Wonder share perfect goal. I'm a referee. Angie. I don't know about so many hard to look some people you know. Yanga say be a Salif ball. Hard to ball. And I say Wonders ball. Then quiet a be an incident be I take the decision away. I don't know, but it looks like a lady, Adiano.
Yeah.
Kobe Jones have a clear so
yeah.
A lady no cry understand say or no cry no power with respect to Abrantena or my Adiana Barbontino. I say I lady the past say I mean a private conversation. It's not like interview be an abibi. Ababa the friend na me chawa no pay na boko there.
Yes sir. You so come on
yamiasi. Now anopa me shows on social media wa on follow me. Any other news portals. Our voice said to now land and how to win the league. Na how to fuck the Manchester Cano you will buy. Anyone says some then I'll cover audio about you.
Medasi, with this opportunity I should speak about I think like you said, me amada be white in the firm say what me voice will be be white there really who did you have to call me and verify. And so for me I'm going to know me voice and I call your voice yeah. And so and they mister now here on send you there no mommy. And so send them just I do want me mother for be our sick also ask me your friend Bufa. One a minute come back on no sport Eddie among Naya. And Pierre Cotta the CSC, young Shah, Minify, your big league, no, that is, you know what there's no. Oh, not the league, I did some order, ask the bed, league, Caprica for anything like Minifan and I won't come up privately. I mean, no, or you call it, and now the league, no, to tell you, no, the or the GSA president. And maybe I don't think so, but someone was talking about it, and I'm not fast to die. Because I think they recorded in the year now around 4:30 and up we are. And see how you're recording me at the end about me. I'm surprised. But I think work here often in our catching. My friend of family like me over but it's not like something like that. Yeah, I can't be that thing, and now we can be that thing. And so I'm a little bit surprised. But and then I'm going to deny saying me fast, but many madam for a half in here. During the election, no, denial. In your can't stand and making can't start in the train.
Okay, now a private conversation, but I want to believe that white's a woman here. If you are Nyoma Ubo Slim Kai, Bibisana.
No. But if you say, I remember very well said from the beginning. I thought Nepal say, oh, now the check something money engine league. That is the thing that I can remember.
Yeah.
But if you say, me Kanyama, now we can't go. I just like the fact because I thought I was talking to a friend. I didn't even know say the family recording me. But I think Sana do as a friend, not as I didn't know when I hang so on this note, what I can say is I'm very sorry to the GFA president and now they are not also bring some conflict among them. It's just a personal view. Many madam for work like many years TV so I don't know if some recording like that will come up. So I think I'm sorry about that.
Now, I think maybe sure said do one I be a home, the here. I mean, private conversation there. If you are the private conversations about Bonti and Zaman Quebecano, why be Ankabana, and Sienna Bonti Pachonti. Don't let it get to you that much. But next time, watch the people you talk to, Bisawa or Daruma, especially the people you call friends.
That is a very good advice. Maybe I'll take it from you because if you are not depending on Madame Fukafuna, if you are the person in here, Otaka, that voice we are now, and I think I also consider you've given me this advice. It wasn't something personal to anybody, not to offend anybody or not.
Okay, all right now. Now, thanks so much. Remember, why? Do your work. You're when I Juma. And no, Anna, you're back. Well, say Obian Castle, Obian Castle. The most important thing is say Nyoma systems in Juma. Referees doing their work well, players playing well, coaches working well. Now, good football. Now, then we get worthy winners. Mount said, Richard Fine say, Omako Kulabi warning. So Kulabi, the day you record me, I will sue you.
Of course. Because Article 18.2 of the Constitution my clear guidelines as to some private secret recordings where they sign your man into cases were into well, I'm sure say wapacha on them yes was obey
in my public relations degree media law and ethics.
Yeah.
And one of the things, because they have got so Froby now record now. Tell him I'm recording you.
Yeah.
Tell him say me record you. And they say obi kasara say we off record.
Yeah.
So the person can take you on.
Absolutely.
And your media working on your money be na hard drink kaka. Until bia say bia open nyamunti. Say we obi dig private communal record no radio so and it's hard nyina no. Against the ethics of the profession. Yeah. And how can a man phone taking you maybe a apsa? Would you going to have most of the modern phones for recording shim? Yeah. One I also compare up now this shim and a bar. You cannot the company, the phone manufacturer cannot be held responsible. Who now decided to go and look for an app to record? So no the same na record and a chakazo. Me yes I'm record phone now record that. And when you said the number of people every single conversation they record on their phones.
Yeah.
And you're dangerous. Very dangerous. And okay.
Chama, but has for us releasing statements I think I'm not too sure how they'll deal with this, but the perception of referees ɛyɛ ahadwen kakra anɔpɛ ya Hearts of Oak asa release statement ɛno fa Kumasi Asante Kotoko one of the communication members one need ako minim no but say ono so kasama Kotoko
need ako unim za agwe
dabi
ona mrebi omo bane no need ako
yes was ako kan say bia for Hearts ama Hearts a release statement
well and Abrante we know say they are discussing here but I'm sure that the club had to folk to release a statement to tell
absolutely
you that some of these things are very necessary. It is not about your thinking and what you see in your mind, and it's just that's how the world should run. Collective views of Ubia near the church near Buania the Chichiro Minor. I say irresponsible, childish comments, like irresponsible and childish comments made from Neil Daku. Okay. The leadership of the National Chapters Committee of Accra Hearts of Oak NCC regretfully rise to condemn statements coming from one Neil Daku of Asante Kotoko alleging that our beloved club Hearts of Oak is being aided to win the Ghana Premier League title. It is one of the most frivolous, concocted allegations coming from a frustrated supporter who was recently banned by the Ghana FA for loosely tarnishing the image of the Ghana football. It must be emphasized that Accra Hearts of Oak is a credible football club formed on the foundation of integrity, fair play, and from a well-civilized football family. Over the years, the club and its supporters have demonstrated high sense of sportsmanship, respecting decisions of match officials no matter how bad it goes against our dear club. Hearts of Oak has been Hearts of Oak has been victims of bad officiating in the ongoing football season, but never has the hierarchy of the club supporters made any comment suggesting the type as absurd as what is being put in the public domain. That paragraph. Okay. For the records, Hearts of Oak has never frustrated despite not winning the league has never been frustrated despite not winning the league over a period of time. We believe in proper preparations in putting together a competent squad worthy of sort to win a football league, just as witnessed by the world with our 64 battalion squad, which became the envy of our opponents and their supporters. So I hope God was a go cranka. Obi and 64 battalion. The allegations of Neil Daku can only be described as frivolous and the contentions are clearly baseless and could only be said to be a product of delusion of fantasy. I think that's the book I've been charitable with too. Can they just say it's nonsense? And I catch you. Anyway, his claim is based on an indisputably meritless theory. Hey, only seen in people whose moral values have long been diminished. As long as I'm catching up with you now, say seven. Now, Nick can I think? Jesus said, "Oh, the bro for it, now they anyway." We further call on the leaders of Asante Kotoko to call their supporters to order us who believe in respecting the rules and regulations of football. Well, Neil Daku I also understand. So I also hold any position. Kotoko circles after the ban. No, the FA ban. Yeah. And as I circles into unity. I don't know. But Neil Daku is known to be that kind of person. Or next time or clerk and be abakaya. Now say be a buyer obi. Oko can about players. Remember Kotoko. Emma players. Yeah, terminated contract. Okay. Say joking. The communication is also joking.
Yes, absolutely.
Need that coco trap baby do what time five zakwana.
I know man say.
Oh no way. It need that kono ne dia no nti. Has book so the also the statement about FA need that kono. Wow. It I don't know.
All Kotoko or do you dey
Onya say the onya hwe.
Onu na musa.
I support to say in any other person or a supporter and then some can be a sure say audio way any about thing anyhow initially was captioned say NCC member and it's had any man a bit of grounds and for you clear the air baba wana chichimu or a journalist but oye Hearts of Oak fan and watch it so no na down for big one kasa any year and if I call the ababo ntiam na looking like it or their chopper market no pa na ya chow any obia audio na ba ojiri say affecting bia but it shouldn't take away the shine from our Ghana Premier League. And this is what happens. Kotoko has me and April League now. And some of this even makes the league interesting. It makes it interesting.
So under normal circumstance, Coach Ignatius Onkasa and to build up for Nyame boy China game, no?
Yeah.
I shall see. China game.
And the China Hearts of Oak can go on top of the league table.
Absolutely.
For the first time since 2020. For the first time
this season.
David, this season is fine, but Hearts of Oak on top.
That's ratchet.
Oh, no, be white, mommy, date.
Okay.
Be white, but about this season, so
2016,
yes.
5 years ago, has a now league through that.
Aye.
Historic day.
So Hearts of Oak to me could share 11 when the Hearts of Oak goes top of the table. Wow. Now Hearts of Oak when you turn your attention. And about Saturday, because I'm going to wafano. Now, me, to my uncle from the door now. Hearts of Oak. Fifi has the Ray has the or he back the jai. Coach Ignacio to chair moff or send the message or send it by. I say, OT has ni, Oleke has ni, Macho Joseph has ni, African child has, Yalbi has ni. Has Chamaidi has ni. Has when we go for Edu say and I know say Dada Wood Village. You also know for me. Scholar about 10 of the day because who has mentioned one Techima. Okay. One for the one. It's ask on my teacher. Also say draw. I mean that's what makes the league interesting. But as long as Engoya team the day Engoya Toka any Engoya say and my league ni interesting.
Absolutely.
It's said ye esi kono ye ba be hwe ye be say room there we dwarfs almost on some of them ba ye so mo threaten court seven new man din ye na onte 20 team league o de train and I was
you see the NT am rough on about 20 team league ni miensa na mienu be relegation and 9 bebo Champions League mienu bebo Europa na the otosonson no wabo Conference League yeah no 20 team league the competition is just at the top Sekotoko di kan bebo Champions League House of Oak tosu mienu bebo Confederations Cup
is it going to say FA Cup FA Cup na
Confederation
second
until from the 2nd to the 20th position no competition
you crowd about 12 team league
absolutely na competition abem relegation ho na yeshe na soro ho no so ayeshe. There are no external competitions into UBA league ni mu a UBA ni kwa na Ghana football na e team sesi ano what will the 20 league do benefits be ni wom say broni bo 20 team league kobisa ne de oye wo then na board money league no to me ya ni sa only competition bia wa o so be bo 20 team league and na team be call relegation on into because ebiesida is that what they are planning to do because Legon City's dwarfs case when chairman I was here with him.
Yababa so bayenke obi ase achia master footwear say empabo papa na omaso ye enewo say wo krom ase yi ote yenka na ope empabo papa say shoes say slides slippers sandals man na mema de nkra na mpanyimfo de belts bags ni nyina no fo ni chirem ewo achia master footwear achia master el patase adwunase road yi so the tense how many washing bay ni di nhwa ni mu so de ani chirem so police depot nchan na ha patase adwunase kwan so no ofa ho na washing bay no no e brosana ni di nhwa ni mu no e na achia master o number no e 0244 391 140 0244 391 140 Treadways Chemist ready for paying tablet and the syrup number obi o de me baba so ya ba hwe eyi no dwarfs nsensem ni yi ene okay Legon City is a branch no nzo aka so ya ho nsema ya de eba e wa hase but then obi as a Treadways Chemist ready for paying tablet and the syrup number the tienie sauti yo ya honam ba bia yo ya unya for paying ni bia abebo ye pa the tablet ye mpanyimfo ena the syrup no ye for nkra we ya waduro no uti yo ya honam yo ya waposo wo ba bia yo ya bia no unya for pain ene wo Trazol 500 trouser 500 so no nipa bi a check every 2-3 months also di we me na trouser no eno ena eyema wo di we masonko eku eye worms nya pin worm hip worm large round worm hook worm if wo yam de worm ho unim but the only man so one medro am na your adwuma na side drone your friend trouser 500 and no here you on the tablet and you on the suspension tablet you penny for dia and a suspension kra and I say bia when obowa when you cold kata and achewa wadro your Riddles cough syrup Riddles your Riddles baby Riddles junior Riddles adult the tell say obia won the nkra totofewa nkra dantemu penny for obia de ho baby a to adro pharmacy shop drugstore obia no okohwa obenya bi ato and so we trade wins enra omode abano eno so ebino no COVID-19 no obi
Jawan
second dose naba
yeah
na me ya dom second dose naba
yeah
na the last time who say ebeto just say president be kasa Sunday no na nka be say second dose ni abewo
yeah
because we be anywhere we can be
yeah
yeah and who say second dose naba na enra ene shase amanfo akoko places bia wo wa ozo nya text me no nya text ni bi
dabi me nya text bia
onya text ni bi
dabi
oi obi ene ya hwehwe onya
me nya text
mama hwe me die no eni vaccine app hello bright can come bodu a second dose of coronavirus vaccine is available for you. Come with your vaccination card to Central Hospital, Government Hospital, on the 22nd of May. Thank you. No. May no. Wow, Bibia, you are supposed to have received the text. So we still be a system matter, but they no ukuta vaccination card now. Now wako na wako Jody. Mr. So one first dose nibia. Menko one first dose ni bia menko wadaroma na vaccine eye free and eye safe second dose no eno na ebema wanya full protection eti omomo amono no obunim say for instance US ni yaka jom say wa 2 jabs no utimi you mask
yeah and akwa camp no a omo bia Spain dudo na ewo omode na Tottenham also say almost the omode stadium near mana
omode amanfo vaccines no eti yan won protect you now life and get it back to normalcy yes remo a obi a ebi a person friend na gin chiremu a number we 050 126 6829 050 126 6829 obu a person otukwan but also want the vaccine na answer second dose no me so friend number na arrangement Omer ko mefa so a omode bebo amotimi awo Dr. Mensa Herbal Clinic Dr. Mensa